Hi everyone, it's Catherine, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make these red velvet and cheesecake brownies. They are so delicious and they're so much fun, and I honestly thought they would be perfect for Valentine's Day, which is coming up very, very soon. So they can make a great gift for your special someone or for school snacks for your kids to take for Valentine's Day. And you guys can also use a heart-shaped cookie cutter to get hearts, which would be really, really cute. And yeah, I really hope you guys enjoy this and give this recipe a try. Let me know down below if you do, and I hope you guys enjoy. Let's get started. To start these brownies off, you're going to take 1 cup of white granulated sugar. Then you're going to add a 1/4 cup of cocoa powder. To that, add a pinch of salt. Then you're going to grab a whisk and mix this all together and try to get rid of any clumps if there are any. Now you're going to want to add 1 teaspoon of vanilla. Along with that, you're going to be adding 1/2 cup of melted butter. Taking your whisk again, you're just going to want to mix all the wet and dry ingredients together until you have a smooth batter. To the bowl, we're going to be adding 2 room temperature eggs. Now it's time to mix the eggs into the brownie dough batter. Once your batter has a silky smooth consistency, you're going to want to take some red gel food coloring and add that to the batter for the red velvet part of the brownie. Here I'm just sharing a quick tip that I learned, and it's how to easily open your gel food colors and not get it everywhere. So I recently bought these and haven't used many of the colors, but just use a toothpick and stick a hole in the center and then put the cap back on and use. And it's mess free. It's great. And then you're going to want to mix in the red food coloring. I had to add a little bit more, but I could have even added more because, I don't know, it didn't seem very red, but that's okay. Okay, so funny story, I forgot to add the flour, so I'm doing it now. And you're going to need 3/4 cups of flour, and this should be done probably before adding the red food coloring, I would say. But it doesn't really matter, just as long as you remember it. Now that your batter is all mixed, you're going to want to grab a little bowl and put a few tablespoons of batter, maybe 1/2 cup of batter in the bowl for later use. When you're done doing that, just set that bowl aside. You're going to grab your 8x8 cake pan and then line it with some parchment paper so it goes up the sides as well. And then you're going to use a spatula and scoop all that batter out of the bowl and then spread it evenly across the bottom of the pan. going to be grabbing a stand mixer, or you can use a handheld mixer in a bowl as well if you have one of those. You're going to add 1 8-ounce brick of cream cheese that is room temperature, along with a 1/4 cup of white granulated sugar, and then 1 teaspoon of vanilla. Mix that together and then add in 1 room temperature egg. Let your mixer continue mixing until you have a smooth consistency. And here I just had to scrape down the sides of my bowl so the eggs and cream cheese mixture would mix together nice. Grabbing your pan again. Now you're going to be adding the cream cheese mixture on top and spreading it in a layer. Now you're going to take your bowl from before that has the 1/2 cup of batter in it, and you're going to take a teaspoon or tablespoon and just make 9 dollops on top of the cheesecake layer. Now here comes probably my favorite part of the whole brownie cheesecake. I think this is really where the magic happens, and you're going to take a skewer or a knife and just make swirls and drag it through, creating a swirled look on top. It's just so fun, and you can play around and kind of create any design you really want. You will be baking this brownie at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 30 minutes. Once your brownie is done baking in the oven, you're going to take it out and allow it to cool in its pan for 15 to 20 minutes. This was my cheesecake brownie once it came out of the oven. As you can see, it's not as red as I would have hoped, but that's okay. Now that my brownie has cooled, I'm going to be taking a knife and cutting it into pieces. I got 16 pieces out of my brownie. Thank you so much everyone for watching. I hope you guys really enjoyed this recipe and give it a try. Please subscribe, like, and comment below, and I hope to have another recipe out before Valentine's Day. Maybe a cookie decorating video. Who knows? Stay tuned, and I hope you guys are all doing well. Bye!